Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Statistical Measures Worksheet. I'll leave this slide on for about 30 seconds. It explains what this video is all about, and you can pause it for as long as you like. And in a short while I will move on to the next slide, which contains the first half of the rap song. Okay, here is the first half of the rap song on this next slide. I'll leave it on for a very short while, but you can pause this slide for as long as you like. Then I'll move on to the second half of the rap song. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide, which is the second half of the rap song. Again, I'll leave it on for a short while. Pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now. And this is the little worksheet on the mean, median, mode and range. I'll leave it on for a short while before I move on to the next slide, which contains the answers. Okay, here's the next slide now, and they are the answers for the previous slide. I'll leave it on for a short while, pause it as long as you like, then I'll move on to the next slide. Right, here is the next slide now. So in this video, by providing the rap song, I've attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music. If you found this video useful, please click the like icon and let me know your thoughts in the comments section. On the next slide you can click on the link if you need to go to the lesson that explains this worksheet. You can also click on the subscribe icon.